Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a specific Steam error that many users encounter, Error Code E87. If you're seeing this connection or authentication error when trying to use Steam features, I've got you covered with these proven solutions to get you back to gaming quickly. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. This error typically relates to network connectivity issues, Steam service problems, or client-side configuration errors. First, let's try the simplest solution: restart Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon in your system tray and select Exit to ensure it's fully closed. Wait a few seconds, then restart Steam and see if the error persists. If that doesn't work, let's check Steam server status. Visit steamstat.us to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance affecting Steam services. Sometimes Error Code E87 indicates temporary server-side issues that resolve on their own. Now, let's verify your network connection. Steam requires stable internet connectivity for authentication and features. Try switching between Wi-Fi and a wired connection if possible, or restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. For persistent errors, let's clear Steam's download cache. Go to Steam's Settings Downloads and click Clear Download Cache. You'll need to log back into Steam after doing this, but it often resolves various connection errors. If you're still experiencing issues, let's check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes security software can block Steam's connection. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall. Remember to re-enable them later, then try using Steam again. If it works, add Steam to your security software's exception list. For more technical fixes, try flushing your DNS cache. Press Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type IP protocol configuration/flushdns and press Enter, then restart your computer. If the problem continues, try changing your DNS servers to Google's public DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 or Cloudflare's DNS 1.1.1.1. This can sometimes resolve persistent connection issues. As a last resort, you might need to reinstall Steam. First, back up your game data and screenshots, then uninstall Steam through Control Panel. Download a fresh installer from steampower.com and install again. I know how frustrating Steam errors can be when you're trying to access your games and community features. One of these solutions should resolve Error Code E87. For most users, clearing download cache or checking network settings does the trick. If this guide helped you fix your Steam error, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming platform troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.